Good afternoon all. We are down in Paddock Wood in Kent, working on this beautiful Audi S5 4.2 V8. Its client has just purchased the vehicle a few days ago and wanted to have a carbon clean for preventative measures. We're supplying a two-stage service. That's our hydrogen cleaning machine that's going on at the moment, pumping hydrogen into the engine, and our injector cleaner. He also gets a free diagnostic, dealer level diagnostics. It's come up totally clear on the computer, so there's no issues with it at all. So that's good peace of mind for him. And preventative cleaning, just to make sure that it keeps the engine running as efficiently as possible. Price of this is £119.99. That's including our full mobile service, insurance. We are fully insured. We are Checkatrade and trading standards approved. You can get us on 01293 769495 or send us a message. Have a great day.